guys, today I will play with my new unicorn slime. So let's get started. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell. Ooh, it's a cotton candy now. I want some cotton candy, but I ate all of it. Oh no, my straw broke. At least I got an extra one. Guys, it's sticking to the straw. And the sprinkles are going all over the bed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop going on the bed. This was not supposed to be a terrible video. It was supposed to be a good video. So I'll leave it there for a while, resting. It's heavy. It's heavy. It farted. Oh no. The slime farted, guys. It's not me, okay? Oh my. Okay, the texture is bubbly. It feels like water and it's just perfect. The creator of this, if they watch this video, thank you for this slime. And thank you everybody for watching. First, before we end the video, I will show you my new fidget. Wait. This Kuromi Pop It.
Welcome to the push game.
It's a push game. And my Kuromi squishy. And this is all of them together. And with the straw. Bye bye guys. See you in my other videos.